Hi YouTube, it's the Houleigan. I decided to make a little video here to show off a couple of my RC trucks here that I've been working on. So the one right now sitting here is my WPL C-24. Obviously I've done some work to it, and the 3-channel controller. So obviously I painted, it came blue, then I got a blue one. I weighted the wheels. There's like 50 grams of lead weight in each wheel inside the tire, even you still flex it. I made Homer as a driver. My favorite characters. He's hilarious. I'm not an expert. I like tinkering with stuff, but I'm not very. Anyways, I did. It's got the metal drive line, 2-speed transmission, 380 motor. It's actually got the stock steering servo from the Gen8 wedged between the rails, and that's even the stock. Get picture there. It was just threaded rods and ends that I made for the steering, for the metal steering. Except this stock Gen 8 steering servo in there. What else? This has cantilevered suspension that I copied. I got the original idea from Acro FPV. Anyways, it works pretty good actually. Yeah, I'm going to do a video of driving later, so this is just showing them off. And as for like the back, because I have this here is just a piece of you people down the States probably know, it's just crazy carpet. It's for tobogganing on snow, but it's just it's flexible. On one side it's shiny, and the other side it's textured. So as you see, it just folds back, and I don't know if you can see that. It's the first time I'm doing this. So yeah, it's just flexible. So it just peels back. So then you have access to the electrics. Right, everything else stuffed underneath the seat, and here's the battery, which it's the battery I'm running is Gen8 2S 450 mAh, whatever you want to say. So yeah, it was just a little project, budget build. Has a cheap little Chinese crawling speed controller, and then on the controller, it's the shout out to Gen8 for his awesome reptile grips. I can't get a good picture. He said to send it, but there it is. It's just a cheap Redcat 3-channel. So that's the WPLC. So we'll put that off to the side. And we'll bring out my Gen8. So in the Gen8, I recently, I broke the shackle there at the front. I had to replace the steering bar. I hit a rock, a pointed rock going off almost full speed, practically right there. This hasn't been adjusted since I replaced it. That's why it's not adjusted yet. I'll do that when I take it out for the ride later. So underneath, it's, you know, stock body with a couple things on it. But underneath, the electrics are stock. And try this for a bit. Whoop. Look, there's the tripod. So this is my Gen 8. Electrics are all stock. It was the aluminum transmission case and transfer case is underneath, and that's the light controller for the light kit. There is a glitch buster in here that it's hidden in there with the receiver. So anyway, it's pretty much stock. Underneath, I have the aluminum mounts at each end. The heavy brass links from what's it called? Here's MFR, Metal Fab by Reed. The brass heavy links, Bauhaus RC belly pan, and the rest of it's pretty much stock. I'm actually saving up. I want to get I'm going to update the electrics, but I've got to save up a bit. So that's it. Oh, sitting here, I have some parts actually for the Redcat. I have the chrome ollie front axle kit, and the steel gear kit I haven't installed yet, so it's still plastic. And I bought an extra steering arm just in case. And over here, I am in the middle of painting a new body. So there's a little preview. It's all shiny. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I didn't make too much of a goof of myself. And get out there and do some RCing. Later.